This is Daikin inverter 410. The model is what's the model? RZR 125 MV MG. Hi, hello, I'm Bon. This is Zoom room. 2 ceiling headset. One of the ceiling headset unable to switch on. Okay, I show you. Unable to switch on. Okay. Okay, let's go. We go and check. Okay. Yeah, power board no power supply, no power supply to indoor. This indoor power supply. Something wrong, the power board. This RZR got 2 PCB here. They pin circuit board A2P. Okay, power board. In front is control board A1P. Okay. When indoor remote unable to switch on, please check the incoming. Please check the outgoing from the power board to indoor unit. If remote control cannot switch off, cannot switch on, please check the power supply from here. If here no power supply, then you check the power board. There's something wrong at the power board. Okay.烧咩那个？好像没有烧嘞，关了没？有点啊。好，下一个。fuse blow now we check that。这个是什么？capacitor。resistor。resistor we check resistor。this resistor OK。220 ohm。218啦，ohm。OK， 219啦。这边是200。呀，大概是200。OK。好啦。看这个。里边这个要专业才可以，要专业。这个没有哦，很像那条线还在哦。没有这个线很在是吧？那个旧的就那种就是真的是bomb。这个是这线还有在，只是断了啊，没有它断那个角，熔掉，断那个角，还没有爆啊，没有爆啊。Okay, now we test one after replace the fuse. OK stop 啊。装大马力了，现在开2架涡塞转。哦，它可以下。我跟我讲 ，never reach that one. Okay, done.